Well, hello. Today we're going to talk about the Shane, come out of the way. We're going to talk about our paper airplane throwing contest. I have 6 paper airplanes, and my target is the laundry hamper. And what my daughter Kylie and I are going to do is we're going to start at our starting line. I'm going to have her start at the purple. I'm going to start back here at the red, just to make it a little more challenging for myself. You have 1 minute.
No, this is not mine.
You have 1 minute. You get 3 of them. You have 1 minute to throw your paper airplanes at your hamper, and you're going to keep track of how many hit the hamper and how many go in. So if it just hits the hamper, it's 1 point. If it goes into the hamper, it's 2 points. So there's a 2-pointer and a 1-pointer. Oh, there's a 2-pointer. She's got to take a step back, though, okay? Yeah, there you go. You're in line with the... Oh, Shani, watch out! Yeah, thank you. Good boy. Come here. Whoa. 4, 5, 6. All right, so she's at like 6 points. And then I could try from back here and see how many I can get. If you're successful at this one and you want to make it more challenging, of course, take that step back. Take that step back. Whatever you can use to kind of mark if you want to keep track and try to beat whoever you were playing against. But we're just working on throwing throwing at a target. Make sure when you throw, my airplane is in my dominant hand, and I'm going to take a step forward with that non-dominant side.
I got it!
And throw it in. Or try to throw it in.